Part 4, pensions, pension information. Now, you may recall me having spoken about, in my second video of this series, 8 important action steps, and in particular, action step 3, which is about identifying and obtaining information that's likely to take the longest, and to do that first. Now, with that in mind, please ask the mediator as soon as possible for a list of questions to send your pension scheme to enable you to complete the relevant boxes in this financial disclosure booklet. Some defined benefit schemes, for example, also known as final salary schemes, can take many months to provide the information. So if you don't want to delay the financial settlement discussions and process, and most people don't, please ask for this information as soon as possible. It's important that you use the list of questions I refer to and get this from the mediator, because they will cover every aspect of each pension you'll need to be able to reach a fair financial outcome in mediation. If you don't use these lists and the pension scheme does not provide all the information needed, there is a risk of further delay later if you find that you do in fact need this information. Third bullet point. Now, the information required will mainly depend on the type of pension. They fall into 3 main types. Well, I suppose 4 if you include additional voluntary contributions. The 3 types are DC, or defined contribution schemes, otherwise known as money purchase or private funds you might have been collecting over the years or saving over the years. The second one is DB, or defined benefits. These are final salary schemes which include various public service pensions. And the PIP, or the PIP, are the pensions in payment. Now, despite what many believe, it is possible and usually necessary to obtain a cash equivalent value for the pensions in payment. And then the fourth, as I mentioned just now, the additional voluntary contributions. If you have any of those, information will be needed. Fourth bullet point. Although not requested on this form, please also obtain your basic state pension forecast figures. You can do this by using the link provided here. And when you receive this, it's worth noting whether you have a full national insurance record and are currently entitled to a full state pension entitlement. Moving on. If you think you need to require support with obtaining and understanding your pension information and pension options, please start by reading Chapter 10 of the Divorce Manual, How to Treat Pensions on Divorce. And again, you'll find a link here. Please do use the free access code provided. If you feel you need more support than the information and guides in our divorce manual, please ask your mediator to recommend a suitable expert from our panel. Now, whether or not you will need a pension report from a POD, Pensions on Divorce expert, will be discussed with you in mediation, discussed with you and your former partner when you're together. So please don't rush into this, since there will be a number of options to explore which may shape whether you need a report, and if so, what kind of report. Now, if you want more information on this, again, good idea to start by reading the Divorce Manual and the Pensions chapter. Well, that's it. That's what I want to talk about on the pensions section, and you'll see here the parts you need to fill, complete for the pensions. So I just there we are. And hopefully that'll be enough. Once you've got your pension information, that should certainly be enough to complete these sections. So good luck with that, and thanks for watching. Stay with me for the next section, part 5, income and expenditure. Many thanks.